differentiate y is equal to x over the square root of x minus 1. So what we've got is y is equal to x over the square root of x minus 1. So this is type u over v, so we have to use what's known as the quotient rule. So if we let u be equal to x and we differentiate that, we're going to get du by dx is equal to 1. And then v will have to be equal to the square root of x minus 1, which is x minus 1 all to the power of a half. Now if we differentiate that using the chain rule, v by dx will be a half. Write down the bracket, which is x minus 1, reduce the power by 1, so it's 1 half, and then differentiate the bracket, we get 1. Even if it's 1, you should get into the habit of differentiating the bracket, otherwise you might forget to do it when it's not 1, which gives 1 over 2 root x minus 1. Anything to the minus will be 1 over, and then to the half will be square root. Right, using the quotient rule, so dy by dx is v du by dx minus u dv by dx over v squared. So substituting in, we're going to have v, so that's square root of x minus 1, times du by dx, which is 1, minus u, which is x, times the derivative of dv by dx, which is going to be 1 over 2 root x minus 1, all over v, which is x minus 1 squared. And now what we have to do is simplify this. Now, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this and multiply it up here and put all this over this common denominator here. So if I multiply 2 root x minus 1 times root x minus 1, that will be equal to 2x minus 1. The reason by that is root a times root a is it's a. So that's what I've done there. Don't worry about the 1. And that's going to give me minus x, and that's now going to be all over 2 root x minus 1. But it's all over the square root of x minus 1 squared, which is over x minus 1, because these two will cancel each other out. Right, in the numerator, that will become 2x minus 2 minus x. In the denominator, it's going to become 2x minus 1 to the 3 over 2. Let's just have a look to see why. So if we've got 1 over root a divided by a, which is probably what we've got here, 1 over root over itself. Okay, if you're dividing a fraction by a fraction, then that's the same as 1 over root a times 1 over a. And that will become 1 over a to the 3 over 2, because you've got a to the half times a, which is a to the 1.5, which is a to the 3 over 2. So we get 2 here, x minus 1, 3 over 2. Now 2x minus x gives me x, so we get x minus 2 in the numerator, and the denominator we're going to write as 2 root x minus 1 to the power of 3, or you could leave it like that. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to differentiate a radical function using the quotient rule. I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.